Good morning, welcome to day 6. We are having a lazy, day 6, no it's day 7. God, the time's flying by. We're having a lazy morning today, it's Sunday. Little one still hasn't got out of bed yet. Well, it's only 8 o'clock, don't blame her. And we have found, I think, the most underrated gem. Burger King breakfast is amazing. So like I say, lazy Sunday. Just gonna head to the pool for a bit and chill out. And then we'll make up what we're going to do later on. Probably going to head to Disney Springs and have a proper good look around because we were absolutely hammering it down last time we went. So we'll go play in the pool for a bit and we'll catch up with you later.
2 hours later.
So we're all... Oh no, you got the key?
Yeah, there.
Oh yeah. Just shut the keys in the door. Anyway, I'm driving, so I don't know where we're going. Where are we going? It's like Universal on the cards, maybe. First time I'm driving this bad boy. We've nicknamed it Frank the Tank, I think. Oh God, it's a bit close there. So we've just come down to the McDonald's at the convention centre, just a bit further down from that. And we've got 3.
The big one's always...
Yeah, the big one's got loads of problems like queues and everything, like some of the machines aren't working and stuff. So came down to this one. We've got McDouble bundle for $3.39, Happy Meal with 6 pieces because it's slightly bigger kid. And we got a Big Mac and large Big Mac meal, extra McDouble, yeah, on there, and that came to $24.59. Not bad at all. So I've just got my Big Mac and don't know if this is normal, but there's no sesame seeds on the bun, which is weird, but
I'm sure it's supposed to.
pretty sure it's
someone's
supposed
used
to.
the wrong
And then
bun.
Mrs. got large fried McDoubles and 6 piece of nuggets. She's already eaten half of them. Someone's hungry. Someone's hungry. So yeah, I think I've got the wrong bun, but hey, it's fine. Let's enjoy. Kids meal comes with the dinkiest fry box you've ever seen in your life. Looks like a toy. So we're just coming to the McDonald's, finished the meals and that. They've actually got, take it off, wireless charging ports to actually charge your phone. So
and it magnetizes.
if you've got an iPhone 12 or under like that, charge your phone and it actually works.
This is an SC 2020 and it's still really good.
Yeah, I just took my case off just to charge it. It's really good compared to the UK ones that don't work. So they've got the refill machine, which is all touch screen here in this one. We just like, it's not got any Coke in at the moment, but you just press the button and then press the, just like Amy's doing now, rinsing out the cup.
What do you want to put in? You having Fanta?
No, I didn't put Fanta on. I want to try fruit punch.
Tastes like sherbet.
Does it?
The only way I can describe it is very
Minute
red.
Maid fruit punch.
Hang on.
Not very nice.
No, it tastes like sherbet. Just rinse the cup out so you don't get... There you go. It's nice. It's cold in the shower.
Fizzy water.
You want Dr. Pepper as well? Go on then. That's it. Stop.
There we go.
Now we've got a couple of drinks to the cup.
So we're all done at Mackie D's. We're just heading to Disney Springs now.
Yep.
So yeah, and the little one's joined us in the front. Just decided to get the middle seat out, and that's the joys of a truck. And we're off down to Disney Springs. It'll only take us a few minutes to get there, so
About 10 minutes.
yeah, let's go. So we made it to Disney Springs. It's now what, 20 to 1. We've all eaten. We're just going to head around Disney Springs and go do some more shopping. No, we're just going to have a wander around the actual big Disney shop. We haven't been there yet. Like, we went in, 5-minute walk, and then that was it. I had a quick look because we were absolutely soaked in time when we came last. We're going to have a good look around because it's not raining and it looks like a nice day. So let's go into the world of Disney. just heading into the Coca-Cola store. Keep going.
What?
Keep going. Faster, as fast as you can.
Ah, you can't.
Prices guessed in the comments. It's Coach. 3, 2, 1. I'll reveal it now. Ready?
Have a good one.
very busy afternoon on a Sunday. So if you head into Disney Springs on a Sunday, it's very busy. We just had a look around the shop and we're just going to head back to the hotel, jump in the pool because it's very hot, and chill out, and then probably go to Universal Islands in the afternoon, maybe in the evening, yeah. So we'll catch up with you then. So we just found a cotton candy machine. And it makes you a cotton candy. It was $9.99, but it makes cotton candy in the machine here. I'm so excited to see how this works. Looks wicked, that. Yeah, how cool is that? It was $9.99. Was it worth it?
Yep.
It's all around your chops. Look at the doggo. So we've just been chilling out all afternoon, haven't really recorded much, but we're heading to CC's maybe to try and have something to eat, like unlimited pizza for like, don't know how much it is yet, we'll find out and let you know. And then we might head off into Universal Islands of Adventure to see if we can get on VELOCICOASter. So, to change of plans, we just went to King's Pizza, which is just on I Drive, just about 2 minutes from Rosenham where we're staying, because the little one was hungry and she wanted pizza. And we're not hungry, so we didn't really fancy going for CC's, but that was $9.20 something, yeah. So about just under $10. Takeout, someone's happy. Is it nice? Yeah. Good. So we made it to Universal parking. It was $27 because we forgot it's Halloween Horror Nights. I am recording, I know. Keep doing that, I keep forgetting to record. So yeah, it was $27, but on weekdays when the event isn't on, it's after 6 o'clock.
On any
free.
night that isn't an event night, it's free after 6. On event nights, no matter what night it is, it's $27, but it's free after midnight.
Free after midnight on an event, but
Event night.
we're in now, so we're going to go into Universal Islands of Adventure and see if we can get on VELOCICOASter.
That's all we want to get on.
That's all we want to do. Get halfway down the parking lot, I forgot our bloody parking ticket. So we made it into Islands of Adventure and everyone's leaving on the way in, so we're going to go straight to VELOCICOASter. The time literally dropped down from 40 minutes down to 25. So we're going to head straight to VELOCICOASter to get on that at least once this holiday. And then hopefully Hagrid's will drop too when we get to go to the back of the park.
60 minutes at the moment.
So it's 60 minutes, so it's not too bad. It could drop down more because a lot of people are leaving, as you can see behind me. So yeah, let's go ride VELOCICOASter. Just got off VELOCICOASter. Amazing. That is the best coaster in Orlando.
The best ride.
Hey.
Absolute best ride.
What did you think, little one?
It was good.
It was literally, That was so good. I want to go on it again.
Yeah, that's what she said. She was like, "I wanna
Literally,
go on it again."
that second launch just gets you. It was really good. To get to
It's so
go on
smooth.
it, it's so smooth,
Like,
so fast. So you get to go on it, do it. Don't chicken out.
oh no, because normally on roller coasters I get a bit like anxious, but that one was amazing. Like didn't feel
Absolutely
sick,
amazing.
did anything. It was immense. It is just so smooth, not rackety like some of the other ones.
Yeah.
Immense.
So we're going to head over to Hagrid's now because the queue line keeps dropping. So let's
I
see if
think
we can
it's
get over
like
there.
45 at the moment.
Forgot our wand again. So Hagrid's has gone up to 60 minutes, so we've got an hour left in the park. Let's go. So we just got off Hagrid's and it was well worth the wait, I'm not going to lie. The VELOCICOASTER's way better.
VELOCICOASTER's massively way better.
So much faster, but it's different for its own reasons, and if you come here and experience it then you make up your own mind, but VELOCICOASTER's better in my opinion.
Yeah, definitely, for us.
So we're going to head to Hulk now, see if we can get on that quickly because we've got about 10-15 minutes before the park closes. This is the last ride of the night probably because we've got about 10 minutes before closing. I'm going to go stick you guys in the locker, jump on the Hulk in the dark, and then we'll see you when we get out. So we just finished off in Ireland. We literally squeezed in, what did we got on? VELOCICOASTER, Hagrid's and Hulk, all in the space of like just over 2 hours, just about, yeah. So
about 2 hours and I'd say like 10 minutes.
literally. Somebody in the queue line as well for Hagrid's gave us a free fast pass for each of us, so we literally snuck on the Hulk with that at the end. Absolutely awesome rides in the dark as well. For some reason it just adds another element to the ride. Like Hagrid's on the dark, in the dark is like headlight on and everything. Absolutely awesome. So I'm gonna wrap up the video here. If you've enjoyed the video, please hit the subscribe button
And a like.
and give it a like, and then we'll see you in the next video for another adventure.
See you.